Using a Make AI agent, you can set up this Incident Postmortem Report agent, which automatically generates comprehensive incident reports by analyzing Slack conversations and creating documentation. Let me show you how it works. Our Make AI agent is triggered by a webhook, which is going to receive data coming from Notion. Here is our incidents database in Notion, and when an incident is resolved, I can simply just click this button. This triggers our agent, which pulls in all of the incident details that we just received from Notion, searches Slack for any conversations related to the incident, and starts building the post-mortem report. And here is that report, a complete timeline, root cause analysis, impact assessment, action items, lesson learned, all structured and ready for the team to review. It also notifies the team in Slack with a summary and a link to the report. In one click, you have the full post-mortem. To set this up for yourself, head to the template page and click Use this scenario. This will import everything into your Make account and create the whole scenario for you. Once imported, you will need to connect a few things, starting with the AI agent itself. You can choose exactly which AI provider you want to use and which specific model. In our case, we're using Claude, but OpenAI or Gemini work too. And you'll need to set up all of your connections for the different tools, in this case, Slack, Google Docs, and Notion. Another note for setting up the webhook, you will need to create a new webhook here and connect this to a Notion automation. And in our case, our automation triggers whenever this button is pressed. Let me walk you through just how this agent is set up. This agent has 4 tools. First of all, it has the ability to search Slack messages to find any conversations related to the incident. The Create a Report tool generates an HTML formatted Google Doc with that full report. And then we're saving everything back to Notion and notifying our team on Slack. But really the system prompt, the agent instructions, is where the real work happens. Here we're laying out a few things, including the exact workflow the agent should follow when running its analysis. We define the exact report structure, executive summary, timeline, impact, root cause, action items, lesson learned. And this is something that you can completely customize to how you want your report generated. We tell the agent exactly what tools it has access to and how it should use them. And we provide a template for how the agent can send the Slack notification. Here's something very clever about this agent. When it searches Slack for incident-related messages, it doesn't just dump everything into the report. We've instructed the agent here to be critical. It evaluates each message, discards anything irrelevant, and only includes information that genuinely adds to the post-mortem. This is important because a Slack search can return a lot of noise. The agent knows to filter for actual incident details and ignore everything else. Now, this template uses Notion, Slack, Google Docs, but you can totally adapt it to the tools you're using at your company. For incident tracking, you could drop in tools like Jira or Linear wherever your issues are being logged. And when it comes to communication, maybe instead of Slack, you want to directly send an email or use Teams, you can fully customize this. So here we have a Make AI agent, which can turn a button press into a complete incident report with all the relevant Slack context pulled together automatically.